first annual Southdale Virtual Assembly. Featuring the Golden Tiger Award. And also the Silver Sweeper Award.
Welcome to our first student-led annual assembly.
Today we'll be honoring classrooms that are showing the 7 habits.
Golden Tiger Award. Our Golden Tiger Award symbolizes the excellence displayed during specials. Classes are recognized for their participation, leadership, and ability to model the 7 habits.
There were a lot of classes who should win this award, and it was such a tough decision that Mr. Skrull actually pulled his hair out trying to decide.
Before we recognize the winning classes, we would like to say all the classes did an amazing job, and you should all be proud of yourselves for all the work that you've done this year.
The winner is Mrs. Hune's 2nd grade class.
Congratulations, Mrs. Hune's 2nd grade class, for being recognized as showing leadership during specials.
A famous 5th grade teacher once said, "Cleaning my room fascinates all students. They could sit around and watch me clean for days."
Next, we'll be honoring the classes who have shown pride in their classroom by keeping it clean.
This is a very tough task, especially in the upper grades where students are still trying to figure out that pens are for papers and not their arms.
Our first winner is Mrs. Schmidt's 2nd grade classroom.
Our second winner is Mrs. Cordy's 5th grade classroom.
Congratulations to both classes on taking pride in your classroom and keeping them clean.
Hello, Southdale Tigers. This year's leadership has impacted us a lot, and we use it on a daily basis.
Each habit is special because they help us in a different way every day.
That is why we use habits, and habits will always come in handy in the future, and we will always use them.
That is true. Habits do help us on a daily basis. We will always have to remember to use them and be a leader.
So are you gonna do your homework after school? I'll do my homework after school, but I'm gonna play outside first.
The next day at school.
So did you get your homework assignment done yet?
Okay, class, time to turn in your homework assignments.
Oh no, I didn't get my homework done.
Okay, class, today we're going to be solving this problem. There is 36 ways to solve it. Tell me how many ways you can solve it.
I got 49 ways.
Bryson, stop drawing in your arm!
Wasn't my fault. Natalie made me do it.
What?
Now I got 54 ways.
Grayson, you shouldn't blame other people for your actions.
You're right. I should learn about habit 1 and be more proactive.
Now I got 78 ways.
Habit
1, be proactive.
Are we still doing math? Because I got 94 ways now.
Lexi!
Thank you, Southdale Tigers, for being such leaders this year.
You guys were such leaders this year, and it is a big part of showing how amazing you guys can be.
You guys amaze us every day by being such big leaders.
Nice
job,
Tigers!
Thank you for joining us for our first ever virtual assembly.
And now we would like to close off our show with a special musical performance.
Enjoy.
ate a cat in 1885. It was really fluffy until he died. He looked at me in great despair, and then I put his body in my underwear. You see my friend over here, he got some problems. Eating his own cat in the Bahamas. You might be wondering where the cat is at. Check the underwear, the cat went splat. He was so fluffy until he died. His eyes are so big, just like his got. It was kind of weird, but it was kind of nice. And it turns out
What?
he had lice.
Oh yeah.